I know y'all called him and told him?
Yeah, I think he said he's gonna take an hour off, but it ain't longer than an hour, you know?
Right.
So that shit crazy. Yeah, it just flew off, so you just need a new blade, bro.
Alright. Let me get a picture of the mileage right quick.
Yeah, that's good. Let it go.
Say, bro, y'all got the keys? Y'all got the keys? Oh yeah, honey. I'm sorry.
You got it?
Yeah. You good to go.
What was it?
That
Little hook, huh?
No, what happens is they had to put the same blade on, but in order to get that blade attached to it, there's a clip that's on the inside that needs to be removed.
Yep.
And they put it together, but they didn't remove that clip. That's why it ended up popping off like that.
That makes sense.
So
Hey, you want a TV?
a TV? Not really. I got about 6 of them in my house already.
We didn't want to. I just didn't want to leave it out here in the rain.
You don't have no room for it?
They don't want it because it's not
Not a smart TV?
where it got the Roku and all of that. You got to put your own Roku on there.
No, it don't come with the Roku. Yeah.
That's not a smart TV, brother. That's an old TV.
Yeah, it's not a smart TV. Yeah.
That's free. That's what I got to my house.
That's what you got? Yeah, I got 4 of them. I got one in each bedroom.
I got the Roku things.
I got a TV in my kitchen.
God damn.
Yeah, and I got a TV on my back patio as well.
You got a TV in your restroom?
No, I don't want to take it that far. I didn't want to take it that far. I thought about it though. Y'all have a good one, all right?
Be careful going back.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Just done a blade change on the JH. Give a shout out to Whos.roadside, to Miss Left Nut. What's up, bestie? Shout out to Batty. Shout out to Pure Soul. Whos.roadside out. Uhaul done. Wiper blade change.